Hey everyone, in today's video, I'm very excited to present to you a brand new product from Hydrosphere Innovation. You may recall that this is a Canadian company that manufactures water-fed equipment, such as the very popular 3-stage Eco Cart and the newer Express Cart. Well now, just in time for Canada's birthday, 2026, I present to you the Hydrosphere Innovation's Clean Screen Washer. So similar to any other screen washer out there on the market, you simply hook up a garden hose to the fitting at the base of the unit, gather up all your window screens, bring them over, and start running them through the screen washer as they get a good scrub with the brushes that are inside. So let's have a closer look at the screen washer. As we can see, we're looking at the opposite side now, and down at the bottom we have a flow control valve. Everything from fully off to fully on, depending on what kind of flow volume you want. It has a very sturdy base. You have to install it when you first get it with these 8 nuts and bolts. It takes you about 5 minutes. It's a 7/16 inch wrench you'll need, a couple of those. Let's have a look at the brushes now. We have a total of 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 rows of brushes. This will make sure that you get a nice agitation on your screen. After the water comes in through the tube, it'll go through another tube all the way up through to the top. There's several holes along the tubing to give you flow all the way across the width of your screen. And of course, any examination of a screen washer wouldn't be complete without a field test.